How to check Walmart Rewards Mastercard's point. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check Walmart's Reward Mastercard's points or credits. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for Walmart Rewards Mastercard. And after you do that, you can head over to this Walmart Rewards Mastercard website. After you're there, all you have to do is first sign in into your account. So tap on sign in and you'll be prompted to another page where you will see a sign in option. There we go. Now simply enter up your username, whatever your username is, and then your password. After that, tap on sign in and you'll get signed in into your account. After you sign in, you should see that your account and everything is here. What you can do is head over to your account details by tapping over here where you will see a profile icon, and after you're there you should be able to see all of your points and credits that you have earned, and that's how you check it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.